If your Facebook page is not making money, it's not the algorithm, it's your content strategy. I'm going to pull up real Facebook pages and show you guys what is working, what's not, and how to fix it. Hey guys, it's Viva. Welcome back to my channel. And for those of you who are new here, welcome. In case you don't know me, my name is Veronica and I became a mom at the young age of 16. I was on food stamps, cash assistance, and Medicaid. Today I work with Facebook as a creator, which means I know exactly what content Facebook is going to reward. But more importantly, I'm someone who generates $5,000 to $10,000 every month using this program. If you're a complete beginner with the Facebook monetization program, I'm going to need you to stop. Don't continue with this video until you watch my first initial video. I'll be linking that video above as well as in the description. Before we hop into today's video, I'm going to need you to go ahead and hit that subscribe button and turn your notification bells. This is not for me, it's more so for you. This channel here is full of 100% free resources that's going to help you guys grow your brands online and boost your income. That's the type of content I wouldn't want you guys to miss out on. So in today's video, I'm going to be evaluating 2 Facebook pages from real everyday people. I'm going to be looking at their content style, their posting patterns, their engagement, as well as mistakes that they're making that's going to block them from getting the invite to this program, as well as block you guys from maximizing your earnings. As I'm going through these 2 pages, I want you guys to take these pages and compare them to your own to see exactly which tips are going to apply for you and your page. Heading over to my Facebook page, I'm choosing to evaluate just a random person's page. I did make a post and this person did mention how their earnings were not going up. They were stuck at the same amount. So I just wanted to go over to their page and kind of evaluate their page. As you guys can see, she is a digital creator, very beautiful. She doesn't really have anything in her bio. That's another thing I really want to suggest to you guys. Like when someone comes to your page, they should know exactly what they're going to be getting from your page, and you should also have links to your other social media accounts just in case someone wants to follow you on all of your social media handles. When we stroll down her page, once going on her page, her latest post is a reshare of someone else's post. So when it comes to this, I'm not telling you guys not to reshare, but when you're in this program, you want to maximize your earnings. So you could simply take this post and put it into ChatGPT and tell it to put it in your words. It's going to create an entirely new post, but with the same concept, different words. I feel like when you're a beginner, text post is going to be one of the hardest forms of content to actually gain traction. So I would definitely recommend you guys to start with videos or photos. So if we go over to her photos, as you guys can see, there is no order to her content. I'm not saying it as a bad thing, but there is no order to her content. She just post random content, and this is not going to work in your favor because Facebook is not going to know how to categorize your Facebook page. Like they're not going to know what to categorize your niche as, and this is not going to help Facebook push out your content to new people because they don't know exactly who to show your content to. So same thing with her reels. Like there is no order in her reels. She's just posting randomly, just like a regular everyday person would do. But if you're trying to make thousands of dollars with this program, you cannot post without a strategy. You cannot just throw random videos on Facebook and expect to get thousands of views. So as you guys can see, this is a prime example of what a beginner's Facebook is going to look like. Like there's no type of strategy. There's no order on her page. And that's exactly what she needs to change. Also, as I'm scrolling down, as you guys can see, she has videos here with the background that's black. Facebook does not like when you have that black frame. They will literally send you a notification saying, oh, your video could get more views if it was full frame. So please do not post videos that are made for like YouTube. So you want to always make sure that you're filming your videos in portrait mode. So before we continue with these page evaluations, I want to pause real quick because a lot of you guys are struggling with the same problems. A lot of you guys don't know what to post, when to post, or how often you should be posting to maximize your earnings. I created the Facebook monetization ebook that's going to give you the plug and play strategy. Ebook is going to show you the different type of content that you guys can post that's going to get you the most engagement. Because as you know, engagement is the most important thing when it comes to this Facebook monetization program. Ebook is also going to give you the posting times that perform the best, as well as the posting frequency that you guys should be using. It's going to make your entire process easier because you're not going to be guessing. Okay, so the second page we are going to be evaluating is this page here. This is actually one of my students. As you guys can see, she has a very clear bio. Married, lifestyle content, she likes to laugh. And then she also has her email put there. Scrolling down her page, her last post was 5 hours ago, and this one is a quote. As you guys can see, her page is actually starting to gain traction. She takes my tips and she actually implements them. So she's starting to see results on her page, which I'm going to actually go down her page and we're going to be able to see the growth and the difference in her views, what she has been posting now, and then what she was posting before. You guys are going to see that her content changed because she wanted to see fast results. She changed her entire content frame over to doing reaction videos. So to do reaction videos, she's basically doing a green screen video reacting to videos that already are proven to be viral. They're viral on other platforms. So she's just reacting to already viral videos and she's recording her reaction. So we're going to really quick go down her page. As you guys can see, let's look at her views now. So we have 1.7K, 12.6K, 1.9K, 1K. There's a video here that has 667, 804K, 52K. So now let's go back down her page to before she started doing reaction videos. So these are again, in her bio, she stated that she was a lifestyle creator, but she wanted to see faster results. So now she's doing what I recommended her to do, and something that she would be able to stay consistent with and pump out a lot of this content. So as you can see, you guys, she was doing vlogs. Her vlog page was set up so well. Absolutely love it. But you guys see the views are not the same. These views are all in the hundreds. As you guys can see, hundreds. She wanted fast results. So now she's doing a whole nother entire niche for her Facebook page. You guys, we can keep doing this, going down. And as you guys can see, her views are very low with these blog channels. So when it comes to vlogs, especially if you're a complete beginner, it's going to take a while for you to gain traction. Do not come on Facebook doing lifestyle content, lifestyle vlogs, and expect to blow up overnight. Unless you do something that's like spectacular and it grabs people attention, like something super duper crazy, your vlog page is not going to blow up overnight. Doing vlogs, whether it's on YouTube, it's on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, that is one of the hardest niches to grow because blogging is a wide range. Like it's a very wide niche because you can vlog as a mom, you can vlog as an entrepreneur, you can vlog as a kid, you can vlog as anything. It takes a while for you to grow as a vlogger. So just keep that in mind. I'm not saying it's not possible. It's just a slower climb. So she wanted fast results. So as you guys can see, let's look at her first reaction video that she ever did. First reaction video, boom, she got 1.3K. That's a really good jump from getting 200 to 100 to 200 views. Her second video, reaction video that she posted, it got 103,000 views. And as you guys can see, those views just start going up from there. And actually, she posted a video of her dog, which is crazy because she was posting videos of her dogs before, but the views were still in the hundreds. But now, since her page has gained traction, Facebook has started to push out her video to more people. So that's how she was able to get views on her dog videos, even though it wasn't a reaction video, because her page is gaining traction because of those reaction videos. Yes. So I hope watching this video helped you to understand exactly what's blocking your Facebook from getting monetized or maximizing your earnings. Go ahead and start applying these changes today, and I guarantee you will start seeing a difference in your page. So that's going to be it for today's video. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace and much love. Bye, guys.